Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a ledger rig, specifically a running ledger rig. This setup is fantastic because it allows a fish to pick up your bait and swim away without feeling the weight of the sinker right away, which often leads to more bites. To get started, you'll need a few key components: your main fishing line, a sliding sinker, a small plastic bead, a barrel swivel, and a length of leader material. You might also want a hook or two, and perhaps some attractor beads. Let's begin by setting up your main line. First, take your main fishing line and thread it through the eye of your chosen sliding sinker. A bank sinker or a torpedo lead works perfectly here. Next, slide a small plastic bead onto your main line, positioning it right after the sinker. This bead acts as a buffer, protecting the knot you're about to tie from being damaged by the sliding weight. Finally, secure a barrel swivel to the very end of your main line using a reliable knot, like a uni knot or a Palomar knot. Now let's connect your leader and hook. Take a length of leader line, usually about 1 to 2 meters long, and tie one end to the open eye of your barrel swivel. This leader can be made from monofilament or fluorocarbon. Next, attach your preferred hook, whether it's a circle hook or a J hook, to the free end of your leader. Remember to choose a leader strength appropriate for your target species. This could range from 10 pounds for smaller fish, up to 80 pounds or more for larger catches. Your running ledger rig is almost complete. Here are a few tips for optimal performance. If you're using multiple hooks, ensure each hook trace is shorter than the distance between its droppers to prevent frustrating tangles. For extra attraction, consider adding Lumo beads or a small piece of Lumo tubing just above your hook. Finally, if you're fishing in snag-prone, rocky areas, attach your sinker to the rig with a short section of lighter monofilament line. This way, if the sinker gets stuck, you only lose the weight, not your entire rig.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.